Under the leadership of EM Runal Dev Burma, the people of the 14th Varjungnagar Wakinagar area held a martial rally in support of David Murasinghe, demanding the deportation of illegal migrants and the immediate implementation of the Tiprasa Accord. The rally started from Lembuchara Holy Cross College and concluded at Lembuchara Market.
Tripura Motha prominent leader David Murasinghe, who undertook a 2,500-kilometer foot march from Tripura to Delhi, concluded his journey today by holding a peaceful demonstration in Jantar Mantar, Delhi, to demand deportation of illegal immigration, immediate implementation of Tiprasa Accord, and constitutional recognition of an autonomous Greater Tripuраland. Under the leadership of EM Runal Dev Burma, the people of the 14th Varjungnagar Wakinagar area held a martial rally in support of David Murasinghe to press the demand of Tiprasa Accord. The rally started from Lembuchara Holy Cross College and concluded at Lembuchara Market.
Sini Tiprasa Accord tabuk sudah implement ini aku on bagi sing kom sengri liklaikan bisnis goto tinta demand noti je kaisa to saka Tiprasa Accord je tabuk sudah implementation ini aku ni kamu kaisa oh di ditio to hongkai illegal immigrants je sing post back je demand santomon je santomon isi bongna mar honai sini hani omonti kaisa te in number engkai sin Greater Tripuраland noti engkai semuk katinioro dole sinio bucono ramchaini joto kamini lukuno tini ora hai soruji daru pekia ebong te kaisa karom obo je sini takuk David Murasinghe bo 2,500 kilometer bo himi pedal yatra kai thamani Delhi bo sori ka tini Delhi jontor montor bo deport bita bo kaisa program ungkha sini hasteni joto am koyekta amchani lukuro bo thangi choiga te bin logi bo bin dol se bor je Tripura hasteni sini 2,500 kilometer je Delhi nai bor joto no bo hambaya fatei te bongno solidarity phunukte bongno phan rutei singora amchani lubi hisabe tini singo sari jorao ham sangri liklali inke sini ham sangri joto block ono khaise tongo joto Tiprasa dofani sengkrak no luaz mumbai joto sara Tripura joto block ono klaijagi tong non political hisab
agir auto mane flag ti mane protest khaibano tini to India flag ti khaimani juga obomon tei mane oro joto da hake joto politic khaine lo mane joto party nasi hoje
sing joto political party no sing invite khaibano joto kuno political party ni adong ro phaimanjak phaya sing sina nango no media missing tibo sirino musungang jara Tripura Motha party ni sengkrak eba amsayo je Tripura dofa Tiprasa topona hamjangnai rok sini yo je Tiprasa takute buguro amchaini borok simino ora hai logir phaya kuno party Tripura Motha party karei BJP hindi CPM hindi IPF hindi kuno party ni leader ro phaimanjak phaya kuno netitro hato hai ora logir phaya soi sini Tiprasa no mukto khaina musungnai sengkrak rok joto singo amchaini dol milina ora sing chobak lai
Bureau Report, Chinikhora.
Hey!